not welcome here.
I'm not here to fight you, Croc. Let me pass.
Your scent is different. I smell death on you. I don't need to fight you, Batman. I just need to wait. And then I will feed on your corpse.
I need to turn back and head towards the subway terminal. They've started using shields. They'll block head-on attacks, but that shield can't protect them from above.
Where'd Joker get these things from anyway?
I don't...
You scared?
You have one missed call.
Hey, been missing you.
Good. We got weapons on the way.
What? You expect us to join up with them unarmed? Screw that.
He said guns are on the way. It won't be long. What part of that did you not understand?
Calm down. We're all friends here. Right?
Yes.
Good. Now, when the weapons arrive, we can all head topside and kill anyone that stands against the Joker. That's not gonna be a problem, is it?
The bat's here! I'll kill you, freak!
Scared, Batman? This is where you're gonna die!
What are you gonna do, Batman?
Your mommy won't know who you are when we're done. You may want to run, Bat!
You're going to die tonight, Ben. You should run, Batman. Time to retire, Batman. I'll try not to hurt you too much, man. You're gonna die in Arkham City.
Tell me what I want to know about Riddler, or get ready to eat through a straw.
This is all I know. Don't hurt me.
Of course not.
Citizens of Arkham, as I speak, there is a new inmate entering my facility. The more nostalgic among you will recognize him as Quincy Sharp, Mayor of Gotham and failed warden of old Arkham Asylum. Please provide him with the welcome he deserves.
That doesn't sound good, does it?
No, it doesn't.
I don't get it. Why would Strange arrange for the mayor to be sent there? Scrub that. How the hell did Strange even manage to have the mayor arrested?
I don't know, Barbara. But I am going to find out.
says he likes to twist minds. Fine. I'm gonna twist his neck. Say Joker poisoned Batman. Is he gonna die too? Hope so. Found. You're the reason everyone is in here. How does it feel to be hated by everyone? Get away from me, you animals! Batman's here! I'll stick a bullet in your gut!
None of this would have happened if it wasn't for you. No! Please, no!
I want to know all about Strange, and how you're tied into all this.
I'll tell you everything! Strange came to me back at the asylum. He told me he had friends. Powerful friends. The sort of people who could make things happen. All I had to do was turn a blind eye to his experiments and work on my campaign. He said his friends would ensure that I won.
Who are they?
I have no idea. I never met them. They funded everything. Money was no problem. All I had to do was set up Arkham City and put Strange in charge. It made perfect sense. The scum of Gotham needed to be punished. It would be my legacy.
Strange has been removing anyone with evidence against him and sending them into Arkham City. Enjoy your legacy.
Bruce, I'm seeing massive spikes on your suit's biometric analyzer. Your health. It doesn't look good.
I just had a chat with our old friend Quincy Sharp. He confirmed that Strange is working with someone else. I'm going to find out who.
What are you talking about? You need to get that blood to freeze now.
I will. I just need to.
No, you don't. You need to go back to the GCPD. Please, Bruce. For me,